Good morning. This is homework for Wednesday. This is number 7 through 8. Okay, number 7 states the area of a square is 81 centimeters squared. Find the perimeter of the square. Okay, so I'm going to draw my square. And they told me it has an area of 81 centimeters squared. Okay, but it's asking for perimeter, so I have to think, what is perimeter? I know that the perimeter is the outside of my square. It's when I add all my sides together. So I could say perimeter equals base plus height plus height. Or I could say that perimeter, since this is a square, perimeter is the side length times 4. Okay? So I have to find the side length before I can do anything with the perimeter. The side length of a square with the area of 81, the side length would be the square root of 81, and the square root of 81 is 9. So now I have to find the perimeter using that side length. I can do 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9, which gives me a perimeter of 36. Or I could have done 9 times the 4 sides, and that also gives me 36. So the perimeter is 36. Okay, number 8, they give me this picture, and they say an isosceles triangle has congruent, which means the same, sides of 20 centimeters. So let's do some labeling. I know these sides are 20 centimeters, like so. And the base is 10. So this whole base right here is 10 centimeters. It's asking what is the area of the triangle. Well, I know to find the area of the triangle, I do area equals half times base times height. Now I have the base of 10 centimeters, but I don't exactly know the height because I don't know what this is. So I can use my knowledge of Pythagorean theorem to solve for this, because I'm going to have my base and I have my hypotenuse, so I'm solving for a leg. Okay, but before I can do that, I have to realize that the whole base is 10, making half of the base 5. So this is 5 and this is 5. And now I can use my Pythagorean theorem. Since I have c, I'm going to be subtracting. I'm going to be using c squared minus a squared equals b squared. Okay, so then I plug in my numbers that I have. C is 20. A is 5. And I'm solving for b. 20 squared is 400. 5 squared is 25. Oh, don't forget to put your squared on the b. Now I'm going to subtract those to get 375 equals b squared. Find the square root of 375, and my answer is 19.34. Oh, sorry, 19.4. I'm going to round up in the 10th spot, equals b. Okay, so I've found my side length, but I'm not done with the problem because the problem asked me to find the area of the whole isosceles triangle. So now that I have this length, which is my height of 19.4, I get to use the area of a triangle equation to find the area. So I'm going to plug in A equals 1/2. My base was 10, and now my height is 19.4. Okay, so I have 1/2. I'm going to do that on my calculator, which I should have done ahead of time for you. 0.5 times 10 times 19.4 is 97. I'm going to check my work. Good. And that will be it for Wednesday's homework.